Artificial intelligence is changing the world. AI helps computers think like humans. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool. It understands and uses language. ChatGPT can write stories and poems. It can translate languages. It can answer your questions. It's like having a smart assistant at your fingertips. ChatGPT is still learning and improving, but it can already do amazing things with language. Let's learn more about how it works. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data. This data includes books, articles, and websites. This training allows ChatGPT to understand language patterns. When you give ChatGPT a prompt, it analyzes the words. It uses its knowledge to predict the next word in a sequence. This process repeats, generating text word by word. ChatGPT can understand the context of your prompt. This allows it to generate coherent and relevant responses. It's like having a conversation with a language expert. Using ChatGPT is simple. First, find a platform that offers access to it. You might need to create an account. Once you're in, you'll see a text box. This is where you type your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want ChatGPT to do. For example, you could ask it to write a short story about a cat. Hit enter and ChatGPT will generate a response. You can keep the conversation going by typing more prompts. Experiment and see what you can create. ChatGPT has numerous practical applications. Writers use it to overcome writer's block and generate new ideas. Students use it for research and to get help with assignments. Programmers use ChatGPT to generate code in different programming languages. Businesses use it for tasks like writing marketing copy and translating documents. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can save time and boost productivity. However, it's important to be aware of its limitations. Let's explore those next.